fine. You are welcome to this family. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja. So guys, if today is your first time joining this channel, you are so welcome to this great channel because we have a lot to learn. So my old subscribers, thank you. New ones, thank you. So guys, today we are going to be talking about one particular thing. There's this message I want to pass out to you guys, you upcoming YouTubers, you that have created your account that you want to join a YouTube business. Being yourself as a YouTuber. As a YouTuber, if you want to go far in this business, if you want to make it in this business, you have to be yourself. Be yourself in everything you do. In your content creation, you have to be yourself. Be yourself, the environment, the background. You know what I mean when I say be yourself? I mean you have to be real. Don't be fake. Don't fake any aspect of whatever you are doing. Just be yourself, my sister, my brother. Don't just come and kill yourself for nothing. YouTube is so wide. YouTube is so open for all. YouTube is not for celebrities only. YouTube is for everybody. And if you have your way, you are going to make it YouTube. So be yourself, be real. So you have to wake up, you have to stand up, you have to be real. Manage yourself the way you see yourself. Make your video in any environment you find yourself. Even if millions are not supporting you, there are thousands and millions of people out there waiting to to support you, waiting to see you, that will love you. That is what I mean. Everybody cannot like you. Even those ones that flaunt their wealth on YouTube, do whatever, it's not everybody that like them. So why must you kill yourself because you want to start up a YouTube channel, you want to be rich, you want to have a car before you start it up? Just be yourself. If you are yourself, people will follow you for who you are. As you grow, they will still be happy with you, those ones that love you. Be yourself. Be real. It pays to be real. Don't go faking it. Don't go borrowing things. Don't go borrowing house because you want to, become a YouTuber. You are killing your dreams. When you do so, you just kill the talent that you have in you that is craving to be out. Just be yourself. Be yourself. Manage yourself the way you see yourself. Don't borrow clothes. If the clothes you have in your wardrobe, they are just 10 pieces, manage them, wear them. It doesn't matter. Nobody has won an award for changing different clothes on YouTube. The amount they pay you for wearing one clothes to make videos is the amount they pay those that change to expensive clothes all the time. Don't just kill yourself. All hands are not equal. All those wealthy men that you see out there, they have a story to tell where they started. You must start from somewhere. So many of us, we created a channel, we upload just one video, but we couldn't go on with the channel because we are waiting for God knows what. Please start up your channel. If you are among this category of people that I'm talking about, start up your channel and forget every other thing. Don't hang your coat where your hands cannot reach. This thing goes around happening to even both men and women. There are some women out there, they are still unmarried. Reasons because they are looking for ready-made men. Or ready-made men, they will come. They can never come because because you are changing yourself. You are kind of like recreating yourself from the original plan that God has for you. You are telling God, okay, I'm the one in charge. You can't tell me what to do because I'm the one in charge. Allow the will of God in your life to, to manifest the way He planned it. When you are rejecting suitors, you reject this one because he doesn't have money. You reject this one because he's not wealthy enough. You reject this one because he's not driving the kind of car that you want him to drive. You are simply telling God that you are not good enough to handle my case. So the same thing applicable to YouTubers, I'm talking to you. Be yourself. Just look for something that you are specialized on. Be it a comedy, be it hair, be it makeup. Don't say I'm not good enough. Nobody is good enough to be here. You start from somewhere. As time goes on, you perfect yourself. Don't say my shop is not, the phone I'm using is not good enough. My camera, I don't have camera. I need money to buy a camera worth of 350,000 or 1 million before I can start up a YouTube channel. You are simply killing your dreams. You are delaying your success. All you need is a bold step. Many of us have taken that bold step, but they end up stuck somewhere. Reasons because they are looking for impossibilities. Just be comfortable with yourself. Be comfortable with what you have. Be comfortable with all around you. If your house, if you don't live in a mansion, be comfortable with whatever you have. Make your videos anywhere. If you don't have a ring light, put your phone up somewhere. Use the natural light, which is the sun, the reflection that is coming inside. Stay at your doorpost and make your videos. Don't go craving for this, for that, I need this, I need lights, I need computer, I need a camera, I need this one, I need to decorate my background, I need to make my video look so unique, I need to wear this human hair, I need to wear the longest 24 inches or 30 inches, the one that will reach to your feet for you to start a YouTube business. Please, my dear sisters, my dear brothers, manage yourself the way you see yourself. Be yourself, be real in this business. That is the only thing that can, take you to places. YouTube is open for all. It's not only celebrities. The way you source for subscribers, that is how celebrities, they source for theirs too. YouTube can make you a celebrity tomorrow. YouTube can take you places. YouTube can make you to buy those things that you feel you lack at home. YouTube can make you to live large, but you have to start somewhere. You have to take a bold step. You have to tell yourself, I'm ready. You have to remove all sentiments. You have to be real. No faking. Faking will only end you somewhere. But when you are real, you go places. Be real to yourself, be real to what you are doing, create a good content. If it's makeup, do your thing. Make sure you perfect in whatever you are doing. Forget about those that will come to watch it. Forget about those that will like it. It thumbs you down, just keep moving. It doesn't matter. Their thumbs down doesn't put food on your table. Their thumbs down doesn't make you less of who you are. So when joining a YouTube business, just be yourself. That is the only advice I have for you guys. Be yourself. Support yourself. Yes, you need to support yourself first before any other person. By being proud of what you are, of who you are, of what you are doing. So you don't need to wait for a God knows house to be painted white with a white whatever for you to start a YouTube journey. Please be yourself. Be encouraged. So this video is all about encouraging you today, you out there that wants to start a YouTube business, but you are thinking, how will I do this thing? Oh, hey, I'm watching other Nigerian YouTubers and other foreign YouTubers. Hey, see the way they are dressing, see the human hair they are wearing, see this, see that, see this. If you don't have, you don't have. Don't kill yourself for what you don't have. There is time for everything. You have to work for your money, work for your success. So what I'm trying to pass across to us now is to be real in whatever you are doing. To start this YouTube journey, you have to be real. Don't keep borrowing. Don't borrow clothes. Don't borrow car. Don't borrow houses. Because you might be stuck on the way. But when you are real, those ones that loves you for who you are, they will always be there for you. Those ones that appreciate what you are doing, they will always be there for you. So always be real in this journey of YouTube. Manage yourself the way you see yourself, my sister. It applies in every areas of our lives, every aspect of our lives. You have to be yourself. Be real. Any man that loves you will marry you. Any man that loves a poor lady from a poor background will also marry you and make you rich. It's not by you flaunting yourself as a rich lady. It's just all about being real. It's all about destiny. So be yourself, my sisters. Be yourself, my brothers, in this journey of YouTube. Don't be. Don't say that, I must fulfill this, I must put up a background, I must do this before I start a YouTube business. I am saying this to encourage you out there, upcoming small YouTubers like myself, to be real in this journey of YouTube. That will make you to go places. God bless you as you listen. And if you enjoy this talk, it's a little talk I want to pass across to you guys. Do support your girl. Subscribe, share, like, and what? And turn on the notification bell. New video. Thank you all. I love you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.